Hola, hola, hola. You be killing on you. That's a fact. Ain't nobody realer than you. That's a fact. All my old friends saying ain't nothing new.
Thank you to Leeven Hair for sponsoring this video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair tutorial. As you can see, my hair is already braided down, and here is the packaging that the hair came in. We are going to be installing some butterfly locks. These are ombre butterfly locks. In the pack, you get a thank you card. You get 2 of these scrunchies. And you also get a crochet hook. Now I have about 50 of these, but you know what? The more the merrier, so that's okay. So here is the hair. This is how it looks. And as I mentioned before, it is ombre, so it lightens up towards the end. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 packs in total, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe that there were 12 strands of the locks per pack. I went ahead and did some of the back off camera because the method that I'm using today is I could call it the intertwining crochet method. It's where you actually take the braided hair and you intertwine it into the crochet braids. So here are the locks that I've already installed. Please do not mind my parting. And these are locks, so hey, it is what it is. So I'm going to demonstrate here in real time how to install one lock. Now this process is time consuming, but trust me when I say that you will get through it. You're going to get through it. So here's my braid. I am going to crochet the lock into the base of the braid like so. And then I'm going to crochet the my hair into the loop as well, so that we can, establish a level of discretion here, because it's nobody's business. And then this is the part that takes up a lot of time, because you want it to look as seamless as you possibly can. Now it does get tiring, but you will be able to accomplish it. So I'm going to put the crochet hook through the lock, through the middle of the lock, and then the goal is to hide the braid into the lock, hence the term intertwining. And you're going to do this all the way down. So I'm going to go ahead and let the video play and just watch as I do one lock. we are at the finish line and I am on my last lock. Guys, this was quite a task, I must say so myself, but we all know the price of beauty. So I'm going to demonstrate the process again, just in case you missed it the first time. And one thing about these loops, now I didn't have too much of a problem with this hair, but some of these loops are so tiny and you have to literally pry them open in order to install it. So this one did give me, a little bit of a problem, but I got through it, as you can see. So here I am crocheting the hair in, and I'm going to go through the same process. After crocheting the hair in, I am going to crochet the braid as well into the loop in order to hide everything. And I am going to repeat the same process of intertwining my hair, my braid, into the lock. Unfortunately, I did not record the end result, but I will insert a video here at the end of how I laid and slayed and how I rocked this hairstyle. It was amazing. I would do it over again, maybe using a different method for the sake of time. But thank you so much for stopping back by. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you are able to try this and accomplish this on your own. It's very easy. Don't forget to support me by subscribing to my channel. Do not forget to like and share this video with your friends, and I will see you all in the next video. Until next time, goodbye.